guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's not as simple as it appears to get bigger buttocks. Without doing any workout, you must exercise frequently for a lengthy period of time before you can anticipate any effects. It normally takes 6 to 8 months to see any noticeable improvements. But although exercises are the most frequent method for increasing buttock size, it is also possible to do it without them. We've to speak about 7 basic methods that can help you get bigger buttocks without doing any exercises, arranged from hardest methods to the easiest method. 1. Keep going, and don't give up. Getting bigger butts without exercises may appear to be a difficult task from first, but consistency is the key to achieving your desired shape. 2. Surgical options for enlarging the buttocks. If the other techniques for getting a bigger butt don't appear to work for you, to get a bigger butt without exercise, or if you can't perform them or don't notice any advantage from them, you have surgical options. If you're eager to have a large butt without exercising, and have the financial means to do so, surgical options are an option. There are 2 methods of plastic surgery for a bigger booty quickly. First, butt enhancement with fat transfer is a more effective and safer procedure. Second, butt implants. Artificial silicone implants are surgically implanted inside the butt tissues. However, there are a number of serious issues. As a result, it is no longer widely utilized. Before undergoing any of these surgical procedures, you should check with a professional. 3. Experiment with butt massages. Massage using essential or herbal oils will perform wonders for you. If you're looking for a natural technique to build a larger butt without exercising, some women claim to have had a momentary impact, since the wetness and increased blood flow make the butt look bigger and fuller, even when they don't exercise, while some women report that massaging their butts with essential oil has given them the desired and long-lasting results. Try massaging your skin twice a day with any of the following oils for around 15 to 20 minutes each time: coconut oil, fish oil, gasoline. 4. Maintain physically active. If you don't have time to work on your butt, try engaging in activities that will tone your muscles. Instead of using the elevator, use the stairs. It will assist in lower body workouts and glute strengthening. Make sure you're in the correct body posture. Standing with your back straight and your butt sticking out can increase the appearance of your butt and make it appear bigger and fuller. 5. To expand the size of your buttocks, take supplements. Natural plant extracts such as maca root, saw palmetto, and other phytoestrogens are found in many butt-enhancing supplements in pill form. These herbs are thought to promote butt growth without the need for exercise. 6. Use butt enhancer creams to improve your butt. These products, marketed as butt firming, butt lifting, or booty plumping creams, promise to give you a larger, bigger butt without the need for exercise. It can also help with the butt's skin and texture. While most of these creams fail to produce the advertised results and may cause negative effects, but some butt firming or plumping products raise the droopy butt and make it appear rounder and fuller. 7. Eat the right diet. Eating the correct foods that can naturally increase butt size is the most natural technique to grow a bigger butt without exercising. But foods that can make your butt increase in size without exercise can also lead to an increase in overall weight. This is due to the fact that you can't determine where you accumulate fat in your body. However, you may make better eating choices and opt for healthier alternatives to deep-fried junk food. As an example for these foods, dry fruits. The calories in a single cup of dates are 500. All of these calories are good for you. Eating dates or drinking a shake containing a lot of dates can help you gain weight by increasing your daily calorie intake. Raisins and prunes are heavy in calories, with a cup sized containing over 400 calories. A cup of shredded coconut contains 283 calories. An avocado slice has 235 calories, and a cup of fresh figs has 167 calories. These dried fruits are high in healthy fats, which can aid in the development of a larger booty. Peanut butter. The peanut butter, one of our favorite guilty pleasure foods, has numerous health advantages. Peanut butter can help you acquire weight on your buttocks, because of its high fat and protein content. Nuts provide up to 200 calories per ounce. Nuts have a lot of calories in them. They also create nutritious and wholesome snacks that you may have at any time. The fat and protein in these nuts can help to replenish your butt's depleted fat and protein reserves. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a must-try for people looking for a bigger, toned, and tighter butt, without the need for exercise. It can help to strengthen the glutes by being high in protein and having fat-burning capabilities. Sweet potato is a type of potato. Phytoestrogen is found in sweet potatoes. If you're unfamiliar with phytoestrogen, it's a plant that mimics the female hormone estrogen. Because estrogen promotes fat deposition in women's butts, including sweet potatoes in your diet can help you gain a larger butt without exercising. If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.